front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab ACTIVE5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit More Privacy Settings. Following that, scroll again and this time choose Permission Manager. Now pick any feature you wanna manage and click on one of those apps under one of those sections, Allowed or Not Allowed. In case of my call logs, I have only those two, but for example, if you will go into Camera, you will see those sections change to Allowed all the time, Allowed only while in use, and Not Allowed. Either way, click on any app you wanna manage, pick one of those options, in this case Allowed only while using the app, ask every time or Don't Allow, and when you finished, go back. As you can see now, Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using my browser. But you can always pick any feature. Look for any app you are interested in, and instead of tapping on any of those options, click on tiny blue text at the bottom of them. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!